All right, so today is the pouring of the concrete for the test pontoon. Today is the 18th of August 2022. Right now we are mixing the special type of concrete together. We have the concrete that we tested the other day, 4 different types of additives, super plasticizer, make it more liquid, fibers, waterproofer, and of course microsilica to make it a bit stronger. We're currently mixing everything up here. We can make about, what can we do? Half a cubic per, we can make about a cubic per hour by hand. So let's actually walk a bit around. Let's have a look inside. So for today we're gonna need 2.2 cubic meters. All right, so it's gonna get poured in here. We have the concrete vibrator and everything to get the air bubbles out. We have half of the guys constantly mixing concrete and half of the guys pouring it in. We start at one corner and we slowly move to the other end. So now we make sure that everything is nice and smooth, get all the air bubbles out, and yeah, once that sits, we put the foam on top of that, and that's the first layer for today. The next layer will happen tomorrow. So today it's just about 9 centimeter. That's where the foam will sit on top of. Then the next day we're gonna pour the side walls, which will hold the foam in place, so that on the third day when we pour all the rest, the foam won't start floating. So that's the idea, a three-day workout. That's we first pour the concrete and then we put the foam afterwards. So if you would put the foam first and then the concrete, there will be a bunch of air bubbles and stuff. So yeah, we have to pour the concrete first. Then the super plasticizer that we mixed in helps making the concrete a bit more fluid, a bit more liquid. So that helps moving everything a bit along and moving everything a bit around.